Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Metal Slug Awakening game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you have logged in, you will end up within the store page. From here, click on the search box, and now just type in Metal Slug Awakening to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer and the reviews as well. Scroll down and click on the Add to Library button to add the game to your collection. Once that is done, you can click on the Play Now or the Play Game button to open up the installer. Now just choose your install directory and click on the Install button. Then just wait for the process to complete, and once that is done, you can start enjoying the Metal Slug Awakening game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Metal Slug Awakening game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.